everybody, it's Martin with Android News and All the Byte, and today it's going to be a little demonstration on how you can get Surfshark running on your device very easily. So first off, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to browse to the Play Store on your smartphone. Open up that app. Once you browse to that Play Store, you can type in Surfshark at the top and then search. Once it comes up, you can click the install button. Once installed on your device, you can simply open up the application and click at the bottom where you can enter your credentials to log in. Once you are logged in, you can click the connect button and you are now connected to Surfshark. It is that easy. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. You know how it's done. Take care.